Okay, Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to our lecturer Dr. Maliki and our and fellow friends. Okay, today I want to present about the assignment 2, which that the review journal was the title is Public Trust in Local Government, explaining the role of good governance practices by Temisi Beshi and Ravinderjit Kaur in 2009. Okay, my name is Muhammad Zulfitri bin Zulkifli. My metric card is 263616. Okay, let's go to the introduction. Okay, the primary purpose of this study was to examine the role of good governance practices on public trust in local government. In this study, a conceptual model was developed and tested empirically in Ethiopia by selecting Bahir Dar City Administration. Okay, the data analysis yielded the following result. Okay, all independent variables were highly influential in describing the public level of trust in their local government. In this case, participants who received the assistance of transparency, accountability, and responsiveness had greater trust in city administration than their counterpart. Okay, then we're going to the problem statement. Okay, in this case, one of the most admirable goal in the democratic system is making decision by taking the interests of the majority into account. That is why public trust in government is viewed as an integral part of the democratic system. Therefore, so as to implement policies and strategies effectively, it is important to improve citizen trust at all levels of the government. Okay, then we are going to the methodology. Okay, the hypothesis and quantitative methodology was applied through conducting a survey amongst the public of Bahir Dar city administration. Okay, the city has a total population of 270,662, of which 128,562 are men and 100,042 and 10100 hours was our women. The urban residents of the city are 214,098, while the rest of the population is rural residents. In this study, the researcher used a convenient sampling method. Sampling method in selecting the sample of population because of the researcher has not been able to obtain the official data of all the detail because of the study population. Okay, however, to overcome of weakness of this sampling strategy, the researcher had devised a mechanism by sending 10 data collectors to distribute and collect the survey data in different lowest administration, administrative units, and several public locations in that city. As a result, the survey were collected by meeting residents randomly and asking them to complete the survey. In this way, a variety of respondents who were not conveniently located have been included in this study. 440 questionnaires were distributed to the participants. Okay, finding. 4.0, we're going to finding. Okay, the examination of the structural model involve the significant test for the estimate coefficient parts, which offer the basis of for either accepting or rejecting the proposed relationship between the latent variable. Okay, the final estimate result for the practices of good governance show that all pairs were statistically significant. It was predicted that perceived practice of transparency will significantly affect public trust toward the local government. Okay, the paired coefficients between perceived practices of transparency and public trust toward local government is positive and significant. Okay, this hypothesis was support concluding that perceived practices of transparency did have an effect on public trust toward the local government. Okay, then we are going to the suggestion. Okay, the research should be done by various methods to find the result. Okay, the research also can using by qualitative to find the result. Okay, this research also can be studied on the role of the local government also. Okay, then we are going to the conclusion. Okay, the finding of this study point out the significant and necessity of accountability mechanism in the local government administration. Okay, in fact, it is difficult to imagine that citizens will place their trust in the government when they feel that the government officials are irresponsible in their work or their decision. When government practice accountability in the process of decision making and implementation, it tends to give citizens the feeling that government is responsible for their deed. The impression of citizens further contribute in promoting citizen trust in the local government. That is why accountability is considered the main influential influential factor to determine citizen trust in the local government. Okay, that's all from me and thank you.